Hello, we've got a very basic video here just to explain what physical and chemical properties are. This is, after all, kind of a separate subject. So physical properties, you need to realize, do not alter the chemical substance. You get it back again when you do your measurement. The measurement can be done repeatedly without destroying the substance. This is a a moisture density meter that you can see in this image. And somebody's measuring the quality of the ground so that they could build a road or a bridge or something on it. Okay. Physical properties in our class are going to be mass, okay, how heavy something is, volume, how large it is, color, that might be yellow, blue, green. Luster means how shiny something is. Malleable means how it can be bent, or you hammer on something and the metal spreads out, for example. Ductility is the property that can draw it into wires. Conductivity means how well it can conduct electricity or conduct heat, for example. We'll talk a lot about density, all right? We'll talk a lot about boiling point and melting point, and we'll talk a lot about solubility, okay? Whether something's soluble or not, or how much dissolves in a certain amount of solvent. We'll talk about vapor pressure, and of course we'll talk about temperature. So these are all physical properties, including states of matter, which I haven't listed here, okay? Now, chemical properties in our class include any reaction, okay? So we got corrosion, which is a reaction, tarnishing, which is a reaction, flammability, which is a reaction. And think about it. We have this smelly liquid on the ground, and we want to know if it catches on fire. We light a match, we throw it in there, poof, it burns. Well, I guess we just destroyed our sample and we can't do that test again, right? So all of these reactions here that are listed out alter the chemical properties of your substance. Even toxicity, it's not obvious, but sometimes a rat, for example, if it's fed a poison, it can metabolize and change the form of that chemical substance, okay? So let me give you an example here. Gold is yellow. Is that going to be a physical property or a chemical property? Well, that's a physical property, okay? So we'll just write P for physical properties here, okay? Gold reacts with aqua regia acid, okay? There's the key word, reacts. So that's a chemical property. Okay? Gold has a density of 19.3 grams per cubic centimeter. That is a physical property. And gold is shiny. That's a physical property, okay? Here's your practice problem. I won't tell you what the answers are, but gasoline is flammable, okay? Gasoline is toxic with an LD50 of 18.75 milliliters per kilogram. LD50 means the lethal dose that is required to kill 50% of the population of, say, for example, 12 rats that you have in a cage, okay? Point number 3, gasoline has a density between 0.71 grams per milliliter and 0.77 grams per milliliter. Pure gasoline is colorless. Gasoline has a freezing point of minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? So for each one of these points, say if they're a physical or a chemical process. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is a little helpful. Like and subscribe.